Hello! Now that you have a good understanding of the various hardware components, welcome to our video on data types in programmable logic controllers. In this video, we'll explore the different data types commonly used in PLC programming and understand how they help in managing and manipulating data within industrial automation systems. Let's dive right in. Bit. It is the smallest unit of memory. 1 is true or on and 0 is false or off. It can be either true or false. Byte. Byte is a collection of 8 bits. Word. Word typically consists of 16 bits or 2 bytes. Double word. Double word typically consists of 16 bits or 4 bytes or 2 words. Boolean data type. A Boolean variable has a single bit memory. It represents a true-false or on-off state. In programming, Boolean variables allow you to make decisions and control program flow based on these true-false conditions. An example of this is turning a bulb on-off. For example, let's say you have a spacecraft landing system. You can use a Boolean variable called isSafeToLand to determine if it's safe to land on a particular planet. If isSafeToLand is true, the landing system activates and guides your spacecraft safely to the surface. But if isSafeToLand is false, the system alerts you of potential hazards and prevents the landing. Boolean data types are like the switches on your spaceship's control panel, enabling you to make informed decisions and control the behavior of your programs based on true/false conditions. 3. Integer data type. Integers represent values that are complete, without fractions, can be positive, negative, or 0. In programming, integers are used for various counting, indexing, and performing mathematical operations on whole numbers. Commonly used integer sizes include 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, and 64-bit. For instance, in a temperature control system, we can use an integer to represent the difference between the desired and current temperatures. If the difference is negative, it indicates that the system needs to increase the temperature. 4. Floating point data type. The floating point data type in programming allows for the representation of numbers with decimal parts, providing precision in calculations and handling of fractional values. It enables programmers to work with real-world values and perform accurate computations that require fine-grained accuracy. The most common sizes are 32-bit and 64-bit. Imagine you're a scientist studying the delicate art of potion making in a mystical laboratory. You meticulously measure out ingredients with extraordinary precision, ensuring your potions have just the right balance. In programming, the floating point data type is like your scientific scale. It allows you to work with numbers that have decimal parts, similar to the precise measurements needed for potion ingredients. Floating point numbers give you the ability to represent values with incredible accuracy, enabling you to handle fractional quantities and perform complex calculations. 5. String data type. String is used to storing and manipulate text data. It allows programmers to work with words, sentences, and other textual information, providing the flexibility to combine, extract, and transform text as needed. In most commonly used encodings like ASCII or UTF-8, each character typically requires 8 bits, 1 byte, to be represented. Imagine you're a conductor leading a grand symphony orchestra. Each musician in your ensemble represents a character, and their combined efforts create a beautiful composition. In programming, the string data type is like the sheet music that guides and organizes these characters, allowing them to come together harmoniously to form meaningful melodies. Just like displaying messages or storing alphanumeric data in programming. 6. Arrays. An array is a structured data type that allows for the storage and organization of multiple related data elements. Each element within the array occupies a certain number of bits based on its data type. Imagine you're a skilled archivist in a grand library, responsible for organizing a vast collection of ancient books. As you navigate through the towering shelves, you encounter a remarkable tool called an array. Arrays are like magical bookshelves that hold a sequence of books, allowing you to store and access a wealth of knowledge. In programming, an array is akin to your bookshelf, providing a structured way to store and manage multiple related pieces of information. Just as books on a shelf share a common theme or genre, arrays hold a series of data elements that are of the same type, such as numbers, names, or even complex objects. Array usage in PLC programming through scenarios like data logging or handling multiple inputs or outputs. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of data types in PLCs. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the world of industrial automation and how data types and memory units play a crucial role in managing data within PLC systems. Please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for more educational videos on industrial automation. Please do like and leave your valuable feedback in the comments.